Get ready, start. Instead of signaling its intention to hold elections to rural local bodies, the Tamil Nadu government has appointed special officers for these bodies in several districts of the state. Elections were due in 9,624 village panchayats, 314 panchayat unions, and 28 district panchayats, where the term of office of the RLBS came to an end on January 5. These government officers will function for the next 6 months. In support of its decision, the government has cited the ongoing reorganization of rural and urban local bodies, which will result in a delimitation of wards of the local bodies, a step that the government considers a prerequisite to the conduct of polls to local bodies. It had given an undertaking to the Madras High Court in December 2024 that no poll notification would be issued without completing delimitation and putting in place a quota of seats and offices for women, scheduled castes, and scheduled tribes. Apart from creating four more municipal corporations by accommodating village panchayats, the state is set for the expansion of the limits of municipal corporations, municipalities, and town panchayats by taking in other village panchayats. It has proposed the merger of least 140 village panchayats with the municipal corporations. Though there is nothing final about the reorganization, the government is of the view that rapid urbanization in village panchayats adjoining bigger cities such as Chennai and Coimbatore necessitates a fresh look at the local bodies. In Suresh Mahajan versus the state of Madhya Pradesh, the Supreme Court had held that the delimitation or formation of ward cannot be a legitimate ground to be set forth by any authority, much less the state election commission, to not discharge its constitutional obligation in notifying the election program at an opportune time and ensure that an elected body was installed before the expiry of the 5 year term of the outgoing body. It had also stipulated that in undertaking delimitation, which the court regarded as a continuous exercise, it ought to be commended well in advance so that the elections were notified on time. Selection of residents in a number of village panchayats have opposed the proposed reorganization of local bodies as they are apprehensive of the cessation of rural development schemes such as the MGNREGA. If there is a merger with urban local bodies, Tamil Nadu is not the only state that has failed to hold local body polls on time. Bigger cities such as Mumbai and Bengaluru are on the list. It is time that the states realize the importance of the space that local bodies occupy in the democratic structure. Despite shortcomings, local self governments do not make a qualitative difference to people's lives. Stop.